Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Sarah Hatch. She's a social worker at Sanders Brown Center on Aging. Well, Sarah, you all have recently launched the Brain Health Activities Program, and it is a wonderful program that the Sanders Brown Center on Aging has put together. Can you tell us a little bit about this free resource?
Yeah, so we're really excited about this resource. It is a webpage or a website that you can go to and visit. And once you get to the website, there's a lot of different options that you can explore. So we started off making some episodes for people to watch. They're based on different themes, the seasons, different hobbies, activities. And within each episode are different activities that someone who's experiencing memory loss at different stages could enjoy and engage with. And we talk about the importance of brain health and why it's so important to do these activities to keep our brains healthy. But from that, on the website, we didn't stop with just the episodes. So we broke it out and we took just the individual activities themselves. So sometimes you don't have a lot of time to watch an entire episode. Episodes can be 20 to 45 minutes long, and you just want that activity, or you're really interested in something and you want to see more of it. So you can get access to the activity shorts themselves. So anything from Tai Chi to music and sing-alongs to cooking to crafts. We also have caregiver tips and self-care tips that are there as well. So a lot of different resources in one spot.
Sarah, who is the intended audience for this Brain Health Activities program?
So these were originally designed for those who were experiencing some type of memory complaint. So we have two different tracks when it comes to the episodes. We have Brain Boost, which is for those who have MCI, mild cognitive impairment, or in the early stages of dementia. And we have Brain Health Academy 101, that's for those with mild to moderate dementia and for those who love them. So it's got a lot of caregiver tips and care partner tips built in to that program as well.
So, Sarah, this is a free resource, and we were recently talking about how this could be great for maybe a facilities coordinator who helped coordinate different activities for people who were actually in maybe a memory care facility, or even just someone who is helping take care of a loved one at home. The options are really endless.
Yes, so I mean, that's exactly what we want. We want this to be used for anybody who is working with those with dementia because we know it's so important to stay engaged and active and have good brain health, no matter what point of the disease you're in. So we've tried to give you some ideas, or at least starting points. We've written episode guides, so every activity has modifications written for it and ways that you can adapt it, ways that you can build questions off of it. So even if you're just watching somebody do the activity, you can still be engaged with somebody and kind of talk about the activity.
All right, Sarah, can you tell us how we can access the program?
The web link is dementiacaregiver.createuky.net/brain_health/. You can also visit the Sanders Brown Center on Aging website, and there's a link to it from that website as well.
And once we share this on social media, we will be sure to provide the link that someone can easily click. So, Sarah, once people are at the website, what can they click on? How can they access the episodes?
So once you get onto that main page of the website, there's three options you'll have. You'll have an episodes button you can click, and that'll get you right to either Brain Boost or Brain Health 101. And then you also have a shorts, activity shorts link that you can click on, and I'll get you straight to a listing of all the shorts and all the different activities kind of put into different categories. And then there's a resource tab, and that gets you to community resources, caregiver tips, and self-help tips. So this is all about brain health. So we're talking about all the things you can do to stay engaged and active and keep your mind healthy. No matter what age you are at, no matter what stage of the disease you're at. So it's giving ideas for caregivers, giving ideas for people who've just been diagnosed, and what do I do now? And they're fun activities that you can do by yourself, with a friend, with a loved one, with grandkids. So they're kind of ageless in that factor.
Thanks for joining us today on the Farm and Home Show, and we'll see you next time.